Hello, Namaste. Today I'll show you how to make shrimp in coconut milk or coconut shrimp curry.
If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
This is a very mild and delicious recipe that gets ready in no time. You must be aware of the fact that shrimp is very delicate. It needs just a few vigilant minutes of cooking. In my today's video, I will show you how to cook shrimp perfectly so that they are not overcooked or chewy and you get the best taste out of it. Please note the ingredients needed to make coconut shrimp curry today. List of ingredients is given in Hindi as well as in English in description box also. First of all, heat some oil in a pan on medium heat. Add in ginger garlic paste. Check out the recipe of homemade ginger garlic paste. Add very little finely chopped onion. So this little quantity of onion makes it keto friendly, not too much. Some curry leaves go in. If you have the fresh ones, that's the best thing here. Saute and cook until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away and onions turn translucent. When they are slightly golden in color, add in turmeric and salt to taste. A quick mix. Add in shrimp that have been cleaned, deshelled and nicely washed. Mix well so that the condiments are nicely coated over the shrimp. Now time to add in some chili to this. So I like to add freshly ground black pepper powder and red chili powder. This is to your taste. The more heat you want, add more. Now reduce the heat to low and on low heat only add in coconut milk. Add about a quarter cup of water to this. Slit green chilies also go in. Mix well and cover this pan. Let these shrimp cook on low heat only, covered until they are fully done. It usually takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Cooking time depends on your cooktop and the vessel you are using to cook. These are few more shrimp recipes for you to check. The list is given in description below. So when they are done, they would look like this. Now the heat is turned off. Add in very little finely chopped cilantro, a few drops of lemon juice. Mix and this delicious curry is ready to be served. And I like to call it curry in a hurry because it gets ready in no time. You can serve this hot with any roti paratha or bread of choice. It tastes just wonderful. I would recommend serving it with a plate of steamed rice. Here are some suggestions for those who follow a strict keto diet. Some roti, puri or cauliflower rice. Enjoy this curry in a hurry with your family and friends. But do not eat your food in a hurry so that you get the best taste out of it. Thanks for watching.